Alright, so I kind of have to talk on this part. So a lot of you are going to run into trouble with the lower control arm. So make sure you have the other side jacked up. I'll put that in the very beginning. So when you get it jacked up on this side again, you kind of have to bear hug your brake caliper and rotor and all that, and go like this. You're going to want to turn it and grab right here and just kind of like push your body against it and make sure the lines are lined up, and then you can put your bolts in. Because I got a little lost for a minute because I could not get this to sit up straight even when I was going back and forth with the jack. So just do what I did, bear hug it and put your body into it, and you'll start and move this with your right hand, and this will line up, and then you should be able to get your end links in really easily. So yeah, just like that. So yep. Alright, so once you get all that stuff in, what I like to do is I make sure I raise this up, make sure the studs up here are all the way up, tighten those really good, and then let it come down, and then just do it again, make sure it's all the way up, and go from there. And then I just buzz this in again, like I took it out and buzzed it in, make sure it's all the way flush, which it was, but I'm kind of a, I don't know, double checker, so I just made sure it's flush. This doesn't really sit flush against here, and I think it's because the new one has some extra metal right here, and then but the back seems to be flush, so I should be okay with that. I probably should have showed this in the very beginning, but you can see I can't really shake the car as much. But when you come to the rears are blown out too. You could probably see that. I don't know if you saw that in the camera. You probably did. But you can see how it just bounces. We put new tires on this because the other tires are ruined. The alignment was off and it had lumps all over the tire. So that told me that the struts are most likely blown, or shock, whatever in the struts blown. So that's why I did it. So tomorrow the car will get full alignment. I'm going to start doing the rears and then go from there.